Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our inspiring episode of Decor Idea. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Is your kitchen too small for a kitchen island? Do you wish you had more counter space without spending hundreds of dollars? What if a few forgotten piece of a pinwood could completely change the way your kitchen works? Today, we will explore how to build a slim, portable kitchen island that fits into a small space while adding style, storage, and extra workspace. The best part is that we are giving all the pin scrap a brand new purpose instead of letting them to go to waste. By the end of this video, we will see how a small working project can make even the smallest kitchen feels bigger, more organized, and more inviting. Let's get started and let's explore. Look at a leftover pin in any way. Old pin bars still have plenty of life left in them. Small piece can become more both beautiful and useful. Don't judge wood by its age or appearance. Even every piece has the potential to become part of a great project. Sometimes the best materials are always already has sitting in their workshop. Remember, sometimes the best materials are already sitting in your workshop. Start with a simple plan. Before cutting anything, think about where the island will go. Measure the available space in your kitchen. Keep the design slim so it can move easily. Leave enough room to walk around comfortably. A small plan can make the whole project easier. Create more workspace without remodeling. Small kitchens often don't have enough counter space. A portable island give you an extra place to prepare meals. It can also hold small appliances or serve dishes. When you are finished using it, simply move it out of the way. It is a flexible solution for busy kitchen. Add storage where you need it most. Think about what your kitchen is missing. Maybe you need a place for baskets. Maybe you want a room for cooking book or towel. A lower shelf can hold every item. Keeping things organized makes cooking more enjoyable. Make it easy to move. One of the best advantages of this project is portability. Small wheels allow the island to move wherever you need it. Roll it next to your work area while cooking. Move it aside when you need more floor space. Flexibility is one of the best features of the small kitchen. It's the natural pin shine. Pin has a warm and welcoming look. A smooth finish brings out its natural beauty. The wood adds warmth that many store-bought cabinets don't have. Simple wood tones fit almost every decorating style. Natural materials makes a kitchen feel more comfortable. Decorate while staying practical. Add a small basket for fresh fruits. Place a cutting board on top. Include small plant for color. Fold a clean kitchen towel on the lower shelf. Practical items can also become beautiful decorations. Build on a budget. You don't need expensive materials for a stylish kitchen. Repurposed pin keeps cost low. refusing or reusing wood saves money and reduce waste. Although a thoughtful design often looks more expensive than it really is. Creativity is the secret to budget-friendly decorating. Create something that fits your home. Every kitchen is different. Make the island as narrow or wide as your space allows. Choose the highest that feels comfortable for you. Add a shelf or leave it open, depending on your needs. A handmade project can be customized to fit your lifestyle. A small project that makes the biggest difference. Sometimes, one simple piece of furniture changes the entire room. A portable island adds functionality without making the kitchen feel crowded. It creates more workspace, more storage, more character. Handmade furniture always feels more personal than store-bought pieces. This project provides that small idea can have a big impact. Add hook on the side for your kitchen towels. Store a few wooden utensils in small containers. Place woven basket underneath for extra storage. Decor with a small vase of fresh flower. Add a tree to keep cooking oil and spices together. Keep the design simple so it never goes out of style. Turn an empty corner into useful space. Every kitchen has an unused corner waiting for a better purpose. Instead of leaving it empty, create something useful. A slim island fits neatly without taking over the room. Small change can completely improve how a kitchen feels. Good design makes every inch count. Make cooking more enjoyable. Imagine having everything you need within easy reach. More workspace means less clutter on your countertop. Preparing meals become more comfortable and less stressful. A well-organized kitchen saves time every day. Simple improvements can make cooking more enjoyable. Give old pin a fresh new story. Every old board has a story. Instead of throwing it away, give a new purpose. A little cleaning can reveal beautiful natural wood. Small imperfections make every project unique. Reuse wood is both creative and rewarding. Add a warmth to a modern kitchen. Natural wood instantly makes a kitchen feel warmer. It softens the look of modern cabinets and appliances. Even one wooden piece changes the atmosphere. Handmade furniture creates a welcoming feeling. Would bring a touch of natural indoors. Keep everything within reach. Store your everyday kitchen essentials nearby. Keep bowls, baskets, and towels organized. Place frequently used items on the lower shelf. Everything has its place. An organized kitchen feels larger. Decor without creating clutter. Choose only a few decorative items. Small plant adds life. A fruit bowl adds color. A candles create a cozy atmosphere. Simple decorations often look the most elegant. Move it whether you need it. One day it helps with cooking, the next day it becomes a serving table. During family gatherings, it provides extra space. When you are finished, simply roll it aside. Fixable furniture works harder than fixed furniture. Build something that matches your style. Leave the pin natural for a clean look. Paint it white for a bright farmhouse style. Choose the dark color for a modern appearance. Add black handles or simple basket for contrast. Your project should reflect your personality. Handmade furniture feels different. Store-bought furniture is made for everyone. Handmade furniture is made just for you. Every cut tells a story. Every project becomes something to be proud of. That's what matters. That's what makes woodworking is so rewarding. A budget project that looks expensive. Great design does not have to cost a fortune. Small planning creates high-end results. Simple shapes often look the most elegant. Clean lines never go out of style. Handmade quality always stand out. Start small and build your confidence. You don't have to begin with a large furniture project. Small builds teach value skills. Every completed project makes the next one easier. Confidence grows through every success. Great woodworkers all start somewhere. Keep the design timeless. Avoid trends that quickly go out of style. Focus on simple shape and natural beauty. Natural wood fits almost every kitchen. Timeless furniture stay beauty for years. Good design never gets old. A clean kitchen starts with better organization. Less clutter makes a room feel better. Organized space or easier to clean. A dedicated place for everyday items saves time. Simple storage solution reduce stress. Organization is part of a beautiful design. Inspire others with your creativity. Friends and families will notice your handmade project. They may even want one of their own kitchen. One project often inspires many more. Creativity spreads from one idea to another. Handmade furniture always starts conversation. The real transformation is not the furniture. The biggest change is not just adding a nice land. It creates a kitchen that works better for everyday life. It makes cooking easier. It makes the room feel warmer and more welcoming. And it all begins with a few forgotten pieces of pin and a simple idea. At the end, so don't forget or remember, you don't need a large kitchen to enjoy beautiful design. You don't need expensive material to build something useful. With creativity, patience, and a few reclaimed pin bars, you can create furniture that looks custom made. Every project has another step in your woodworking journey. Keep building, keep learning, keep finishing new way to give old wood a fresh purpose. If today's project inspires you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves woodworking, DIY projects, or home decorating. So thank you for spending time with us today, and we will see you in the next creative woodworking adventures. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed.